Dr. Indranil Basure, Chairman, American Academy of Yoga and Meditation, Mr. Nirmalya Bhattacharya, Co-Chairman, Office Bearers of American Academy of Yoga and Meditation, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Namaskaram to all of you. I am delighted to join you all at the International Yoga Con USA 2021, organized by American Academy of Yoga and Meditation. The event is timely given that 7th International Day of Yoga is coming up in a few weeks. It is understood that the event is the start of a series of enriching discussions on yoga. I am aware that American Academy of Yoga and Meditation has been doing commendable job in promoting yoga and meditation. It is also heartening to note that in the US, community organizations and professional organizations have been playing a significant role in promoting yoga. The world is passing through one of the biggest health and economic crises of the modern times. India and US are among the many countries affected severely by the global pandemic. The world needs yoga and meditation more than ever in boosting our immunities, in staying focused and positive, and most importantly in enabling a strong mind and a healthy body. In this regard, themes of the yoga conference including yoga and resilience, role of yoga post-COVID, yoga and technology, etc. are topical. Friends, the word yoga, which is an important component of Ayush, derives from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Today it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. So much so that in the ongoing pandemic, yoga has emerged as a powerful tool to deal with the stress of uncertainty and isolation, as well as to maintain physical well-being. Yoga forms an important people-to-people link in the India-US bilateral relationship. The popularity of yoga has seen a significant increase in the United States and in fact all over the world in recent years. According to a study, Yoga in America, brought out by the Yoga Journal and Yoga Alliance, the number of US yoga practitioners has increased to more than 36 million. This reflects an overwhelming adoption of yoga by the American people. The successful conduct of the past 6 International Day of Yoga across US testifies to the interest and appreciation for yoga. Yoga is a unifying force all around the world, transcending nationalities and cultures. Despite the pandemic, the enthusiasm for yoga has not subsided, with people using technology to remain connected and practice yoga virtually. Friends, the India-US bilateral partnership has been on an upward trajectory, the result of strong bipartisan support in the US and India, our shared values, and our strong people-to-people ties. In recent years, we have cemented traditional areas of cooperation while simultaneously exploring new horizons. There is strong commitment and determination among the political leadership of both India and US to take the bilateral strategic partnership to the next level. The COVID-19 pandemic has only strengthened the bonds between India and US to jointly fight the pandemic. This was demonstrated when India sent essential medicines to US last year when it was in need, and again when assistance flowed from US administration, Congress, private sector and the American public at large in recent weeks for India to address the surge in pandemic. The outpour of support amounting to $500 million so far is continuing. The expression of solidarity and offers of assistance from US is deeply appreciated in India. Friends, the 7th International Day of Yoga 2021 is only a few weeks away. All of us look forward to observing the day, keeping in mind the COVID-19 protocol and in accordance with the theme of this year's International Day of Yoga, Be with Yoga, Be at Home. I extend my wishes to the American Academy of Yoga and Meditation for the successful conduct of International Yoga Con USA 2021. Thank you.